Hello developers, welcome back to our channel. In application development, there are times when we have time-consuming tasks, such as sending thousands of emails, processing image uploads, or synchronizing data. If these tasks are executed immediately when a request comes in, our application can become very slow and even time out. This is where laravel-q plays a crucial role. Q allows us to defer these heavy tasks to the background. But how do we ensure our Q worker runs continuously and stably on the production VPS server? The answer is Supervisor. Today, we will discuss step-by-step how to configure and run laravel-q worker in a production environment using Supervisor. Let's get started. Before moving to a VPS, make sure your Laravel application is ready with the Q. Next, perform some configurations. Open the .env file, find Q connection, and you can set it to database or Redis. In this video, I will use a database. If you choose a database, make sure the jobs table already exists. Run the command php artisan q:table, then php artisan migrate. By default, on local machines, we often use php artisan qwork. For production environments, it is highly recommended to run the worker without the --daemon or --once flags. Why? So that your worker loads the Laravel framework from scratch for each new job, ensuring that your latest code after deployment is immediately used without needing to manually restart the worker. Okay, but we won't use that method. It's not best practice, it won't shut down when we close the terminal, and it won't restart when we reboot. In this tutorial, we will use Supervisor, as mentioned at the beginning of the video. The next step is on your VPS with the Laravel project already running. Supervisor is a process monitoring system that will ensure our Q worker is always active. First, we need to install it on our VPS. If you are using Ubuntu, install Supervisor with the command sudo apt-get update, then sudo apt-get install Supervisor. Now, let's create a new configuration file for our Laravel worker. The Supervisor configuration file is usually located in the etc/supervisor/conf.d directory. Run this command to edit/create the config file. Enter the following configuration into the file. Make sure you replace this part with the absolute path to your Laravel project directory, and replace the user with the appropriate user, such as www-data or your deployment user. You can change some configurations according to your Laravel project conditions and your server specifications. For example, we changed the worker to 4 because I want the processes behind the layer not to pile up too much and can run 4 at once in a single queue group running in parallel. You can change sleep, tries, and stop wait secs. Once done, save and close the file. Press Ctrl X, then press Y, then Enter. After the configuration is complete, we need to tell Supervisor to read the new configuration file, update the list, and start the worker process. Run the following command: sudo supervisorctl reread sudo supervisorctl update sudo supervisorctl start laravel-worker:**. To ensure the worker is running properly, you can check its status with the command sudo supervisorctl status. If the status shows running, congratulations! Your Laravel-q worker is running stably in the background and will automatically restart if it crashes. Some additional tips for queue management in production. First, consider using Laravel Horizon if you are using the Redis driver. Horizon provides a beautiful dashboard for monitoring the status of queues and workers in real time. Second, after deploying new code, you must notify the worker to load the new code. Perform a graceful restart on Supervisor with the command sudo supervisorctl restart laravel-worker:**. By implementing Supervisor, You have ensured that your Laravel application can handle heavy tasks efficiently, improve performance, and provide a better user experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Laravel tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.